Hey guys, welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you how to get bot lobbies in Fortnite. So this method is very simple and it works as of now. So what you need to do is go to your profile and basically find your friends list right over here. And now just click on find player by display name and then type in this name, the real user bot. Now just basically add this profile into your friends list. Just press on add friend. And now as you can see, this bot profile automatically accepts us as our friend. So it's happening instantly, you don't have to wait for him to accept you for a long time. And now basically what you want to do is invite this bot that you've added to your friend list into your party. So let's do that. So you just invite him to the party, as so. Okay, now he is in our chat automatically very fast. And now as you can see, we have in our chat bot telling us what to do basically. So we need to set our game to no fill when we are starting up our match. Now we need to set to regular battle royale mode or zero build, and you will have 60 seconds to ready up and have fun, and you will be able of course to play with bots.